Morning, Steve in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's export sales day, and so we'll see if the sales of new crop beans and corn continue at the pace they have been. In the cash markets, it seems like we're seeing a little bit of softer tone in the corn market. Farmers are cleaning out the bins, and it looks like the export trade has slowed down quite a bit. So the basis is starting to weaken a little bit. Soybean basis stopped going up. Looks like the market's getting ready for the approaching harvest, and that there was some downtime taken in the east for a crusher, which kind of surprised the market and helped meal values move up. So we saw some liquidation of some long oil short meal positions. Also, palm oil prices are a little bit weaker on a slowdown in demand. That's pushing soybean oil prices below what some people thought was pretty important support. Other than that, the outside markets, crude's lower, continues to offer resistance to the commodity markets, and the financial markets continue to watch to see what the Fed chairman says tomorrow in her speech. As far as the pro-farmer tour, they estimated the Iowa corn yield about 188, three-year average is 176, and the USDA is at 197. The Illinois corn yield was 194, three-year average is 180, and the USDA has it at 200. But the big news was that they had unprecedented record Illinois soybean pod count, way off the charts, and it could suggest that their soybean U.S. yield may be too low, and that might be offering some resistance to the bean market. The bean market had a triple bottom at 996, took it out last night, which suggests maybe some follow-through selling on long liquidation. Export sales, again, 1 million tons new crop beans, almost 1 million tons of new crop corn, and 400,000 to 500,000 tons of wheat. Overnight, we had rains that stretched from eastern Kansas all the way up into southeast Iowa and Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Today, we got some rains in Kansas, northern Illinois, northern Indiana, and Michigan. 6 to 10 day continues to talk about temperatures normal to above and precip near normal. The track this morning on the EU model of this hurricane brings it a little bit further east in the Gulf, maybe the Florida Panhandle versus Louisiana, but we'll be a lot smarter tomorrow and Saturday when this thing comes across southern Florida. Traditional funds yesterday, sellers of beans, meal, oil, corn, and wheat, lowering their bean, meal, and oil long, and increasing their short position in corn and wheat. So we'll see what export sales has to say. We'll see what pro-farmers' final yields are. We'll be watching this hurricane, and we'll also be watching what the USDA finally says this crop is. But it sounds like the bean crop is bigger and maybe the corn crop is a little bit smaller, but I don't think that's a game changer. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.